Forgot your Citi Security Key? You can reset it without visiting a branch. First of all, log in and then go to your security settings. After you reach there, select security key or one-time passcode. Then choose reset or re-register. Verify identity through SMS or email and then set up a new secure key. Make sure that your new security key will be unique and a strong one so people won't have access to your data. Also, while doing this, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues if your network does not work. Also, if you're not able to do that, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. Tip: keep security key enabled, it reduces blocks. And that's it. Subscribe